What's up, guys? So I just wanted to come on here with a quick video, pretty much just talking about what's going on with the market. Are we going to see any recovery? Is this going to get any better, or is it going to stay like this? From what I'm reading, it shouldn't stay like this for too long. Hopefully it doesn't. I've been searching and Googling all day because in the last couple of days, I've lost like $300 or $400. So I'm like, okay, is there any going to be any reversal? I'm in some long contracts, so I'm not kind of tripping as long as I see some reversal on what's going on. So I was reading this article and it said the U.S. stocks ended a wild session not far from where they started, thanks to a bounce back in shares of technology companies. And this is the Wall Street Journal. If you want to read the full article, like you literally have to go on there and read it quickly because they will blank out the rest of it. And it's a $4 charge for monthly, I believe, and I'm not paying that. So I was just reading what they had right here quickly. And it said a sharp rise in yields on U.S. government bonds in recent days has sapped investors' appetite for riskier assets, including stocks. So I'm like, okay, all right. So just everything is like plummeting. Not everything plummeted. So if you actually read the article, you can see that a lot of people invested in the stocks that had crashed during like COVID, the ones that had dropped, due to COVID. So as you can see, AMC did pretty good today. They're up to $7.38. I don't think they were that pre-COVID. I really don't. Yeah, like pre-COVID, they weren't that high, but they were at $6. So they're right above the range they were at. Alaska Airlines is one that a lot of people invested in today. From what I'm seeing, they're up $7.60 this week. They actually had a nice climb, up $13. I think they were one of the ones that did plummet. Okay, they were. So February 4th, 21st of 2020, right around when COVID, they dropped all the way down to looks like $23. So they're, what were they at? 65. So yeah, they're a little bit above what they were before COVID. The Hyatt was one of them. They're up $2.79, up $8 the past week, up 17 the past month. They're doing very well. I think they were one of the ones that were affected by COVID. Yep. February 21st, they dropped all the way down on April 3rd to $39. They're back up to 86. So almost close to their, yeah, they were at 91. So almost close to their pre-COVID. Then I know Southwest Airlines was one of them. They're almost close to their pre-COVID. And then I think it was some few more, but that's the ones the article stated. So I don't know what's going on. I guess they're thinking these companies actually been doing pretty well for the past month. I mean, you can see the charts look pretty nice, steady movement up. So yeah, I guess they wanted to put their money back into that. I'm just like, okay, it's like everything was red. Like, oh my gosh, it was a disaster. One that really, like, this really kind of shocked me, but I was reading, somebody actually said this in a group chat I was in. It was like, be very careful with CCIV. I'm not in CCIV. A lot of people are. A lot of people got a lot of money invested into them, and they're down by $22.16. What were they? So like around the time they received the merger news, they went from 57 and just dropped. Wow, like that's crazy. But this is a long holder. So I would not be like too overwhelmed. If you have shares for it, I would definitely hold on because I could definitely see this company moving on up, definitely doing Tesla numbers. Like this is a very long holder. If this is not a get, like if you do not pull your money out, this is not gonna be a get rich quick scheme no more. Like it's not. One of the ones I called yesterday actually did good. It's up. So it's up 16% today, and it's up 5% in after hours. So I told you guys it was a $25 call out for this one. They had like an unusual activity for this one, and it was a $25 call for, I think the expiration date was on 3/19, if I'm right. You had to watch my previous video I made yesterday to know. And they were actually about $5 at one point. So, yeah, if you got into that, good for you. So we already don't know. Bitcoin is dropping. Okay, can you load up? Oh my god, I hate Robinhood. They probably about to show off how much I didn't. Okay. Oh, okay. What? So if you do not know, it may be flying back up because of recent news. So if you do not go on their Twitter, Michael Saylor actually released that Square had bought 3,318 bitcoins, which is a purchase price of 170 million. It says combined with Square's previous purchase of 50 million in Bitcoin, that represents 5% of total cash. So yeah, they actually invested into them. If you did not hear about that, so I could see this. I knew this was gonna fly back up. Like Bitcoin is, I would not trip off a Bitcoin if I was you. I just wouldn't, because this is a long holder, as we can see. I remember when I got into Bitcoin when it was $24,000, and that's not even low because last year, you don't know, Bitcoin was down to what, 9,000, 8,000. So yeah, and that's just in March. In January, they were down to what? Yep. So hopefully, this man, I don't know his name. I don't know how to pronounce his name. Mr. ELON Musk. If you saying his, hopefully he won't come on Twitter with his Twitter finger saying nothing stupid, because he really been pissing me off. He really been pissing me off. Like, anytime he mentions something about Bitcoin or Dodge, okay, so he mentioned about Dodge and it does make it fly up. But then he'll say something like, not just, no need to say it. Why do you say stuff? Like, dude, you don't even use complete sentences. You don't even use periods. You don't use nothing. You just get on there and just say something and go on about your business because you rich. You're not going to really be hurting. Like, this man lost 15.2 billion, but he's still worth 183.4 billion. So I'm pretty sure he's not losing no major sleep over this. Like, he know he's gonna get the money back. But to people out there who literally are panic selling, they don't know nothing about this, they're losing money. So if you don't know, he just been on Twitter saying some stuff, and it's just like, oh my god, please be quiet. Like, whoo, child. And it's just like, I read several articles about him. He hinted that the price was excessive. What is you talking about? What is you, ain't your money invested in this, sir? How is the prices excessive? Somebody take his equipment. Please roll his Ethernet cord up like an extension cord and throw that mug in one of his 20 pools that he got outside. Because we don't want to hear what he got to say no more. Everything he says just makes no fucking sense. He makes me cuss. So, and I was reading an article on Yahoo. It says Bill Gates on investing in Bitcoin. It says if you have less money than your boy, you should probably watch out. For real though. Because us investing $20, $30, that really should not affect you unless that's money you using for bills. But if you ain't using money that you can lose, then it shouldn't really matter. Like, at least you invest in something that could possibly go up. It's not a casino where if you lose it, you lose it. And I'm just reading. He has tons of money. He's very sophisticated. Like, what is you talking about? And then Wayne Gates, he's talking about he is not keen on Bitcoin primarily because the amount of electricity consumes. And then he said the promotion of irreversible anonymous transactions. Why? What's wrong with that? Why people gotta be all in people's business? Yeah, he probably used that on the dark web. Child, please get out of here with that shit. I don't want to hear that. But yeah, I just want to do a recap on some stuff. Cause I'm like, hopefully we see an uptrend tomorrow. Hopefully this won't just keep downfalling. Cause it's been red, like red. And it's some people online, they complaining, crying. And y'all need to stop investing money y'all can't, like y'all losing that y'all can't afford to lose. Why would you do that? Stop doing it. Invest what you can lose. And you won't lose it because a lot of stuff y'all in is long holders. A lot of y'all don't even know how to purchase a contract. So y'all got shares of a company. Just hold on. Hold on, because it can all of a sudden pop off or fly off. I don't know what scheme these people doing right now or what plan they got. But it may recover and do very well. So I don't see this a long thing. Hopefully it's not. But that's all I had to say today. Hopefully tomorrow is better. I'm gonna be up at 4 o'clock to see if stuff start moving. If it go down, I'm just going back to sleep for the rest of the day. But thank you for watching my video. Please like and please subscribe to my channel. Bye.